That's one of the things actually, when you think something is very simple, it doesn't mean that the technology behind it is very simple. It can be very complicated.
South color. That's your wife?
No.
No.
Lots of intelligence.
Safari.
Your teeth.
Up. We are open mind to do that and
Mario Award.
example of police.
Internet. Something like a plate reader. So what we drive is for reading register.
But I said we combine that.
It's not your birthday.
No, unfortunately.
Roger repeated, GPS repeated. I guess you repeat the GPS signal. Am I right?
GPS, Galileo, GLONASS and Beidou.
Okay, not only GPS.
No, all these satellite signals that are available, commercially available, or actually free of charge available in the orbit now.
Okay, why is that important?
It's important because the fix that it provides to the emergency services, troops and vehicles and all this, they need it so that they can navigate. When they get the incident call, they can navigate the fastest way, and the time is in essence in time to act and to complete the mission is in essence. And most of the applications use the GPS or the satellite signal in order to start and synchronize, because if you go in any police car, ambulance, fire vehicle, they have a map and they have the application which is based on map, and there you need the navigation. So that's one of the crucial things. And for the future, the signal is for synchronizing the IP networks. So we use the clock for that purpose also.
Yeah, because time is everything, and synchronizing, well, time is everything, and the timing starts with synchronizing, is it?
That's right.
You can have great timing, but timing is not great when it's not good synchronized.
Yeah.
That's I stumble over my words, but that's basically it.
Yeah, and what we also have here is one of the new things is that this is for the operational teams. So when they go and start to deploy their operational capabilities, they need the GPS signal, or let's say the satellite signal, for checking that their systems are up and running, and they can visualize on the map their own blue forces. So this is something that they carry. They put the antenna out. It has a battery and it runs like that.
1986. Did you produce that in 1986?
No, actually it's.
Why does it?
It's the company, the organization that did the type approval that has the type approval number. And it will be this spring. We are not anymore allowed, because of the European Union regulations. We have to take it away. But at the moment, that's the certification number that we have so that these products are type approved. They can be used everywhere.
It's not your birth date.
No, unfortunately no.
Okay, thank you very much.
It was a few months early.
Jan, thank you very much to talk to me. It says here, building trust together. That's what we just have seen with all of these organizations working together to come to the perfect solution for critical communications. So important for these organizations to work together to come to a perfect solution that can support the emergency services. I think by now you have done a great job here at the Critical Communications Finland Pavilion.
Yes.
What's next?
Yeah, we are proud. We have had this twice. So last year in Amsterdam, now here in Copenhagen, and this is a good example how we do the cooperation. And we have 4 authorities here, working together with us as an operator company, and then we have 14 companies also. So we do very good cooperation with each other.
I get a feeling that there are more companies presented than in Amsterdam. Am I right? Or
it was about the same.
It was about the same number.
Yeah,
okay, some changes, right?
Yeah, there has been some changes. So
Okay.
some companies are alone here with their own stand, and some companies joined to be part of our stand.
Okay, so basically there are more companies supporting to this whole critical communications Finland thing.
Yes, we have big companies, we have smaller companies, but we are very proud that to have this together with the authorities.
Okay, so why is it that Finland is so much ahead of things? It looks like Finland is ahead of things in many ways. This initiative, a lot of Finnish developer companies really into the critical communication scene. I know that's a spin-off from Nokia from the past, right? I know, but it's Finland everywhere.
I think there are several reasons for that. Of course, we have the strong background of telecommunication industry. So many of us, also me, are having background from Nokia. So that is one thing. But then it's question about also the Nordic European mental to do things. So trust is it's one of the key things here, so that we can do the cooperation together. We are open-minded to do that, and we trust on each others. So we are not only like one company, we share the ideas, we are doing that type of cooperation.
Yes, and then coming back to trust, trust is where every business relation starts with.
Yes.
So that's a good basis to continue your business to the future, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. As you haven't seen it, it's the Finnish police, and you're explaining exactly what?
Well, basically, what we do here, we are inside of a Finnish police vehicle right now. We are showing the audience what kind of equipment we have, what are the possibilities, what kind of information we are capable of getting to the car, into the police car, and each and every police car actually, not just some kind of control unit or a field leader unit or something. It's in each and every police car.
Take a look what's inside the police car, because I'm quite curious.
Well, basically, it starts with this screen. It's a basic computer which has our own software that we have been developing and using for over 10 years right now. So it looks like it's 90s because it is, but it's working. And then it culminates with this. Then we have radar. We have a multi-band router here. This is just the basic mouse we have here. And we are demonstrating the opportunities that we have, like the video you see here. It's the automated register plate reader. So while we drive, it keeps on reading the register plates, and then it alerts if there's something that we should be concerned about.
And that's being run over Tetra?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, basically, with the Tetra is our the basic network that we use. It is like the last thing that always works. But this multi-band router actually scans for the best commercial network that is working. We are taking data via commercial network.
Yeah, because that data is not really critical, right? You don't need it right now at this millisecond.
That is correct, yeah. And when it's working, it's just excellent because we have access to all kind of opportunities when it's working well. But of course, when it comes to the critical communications, then we rely on Tetra.
Okay. And for how many years are you using this now, this whole system?
We just thought about it, and we
more than 10.
Yeah, we figured that it's more than 10.
So
13 at minimum.
So it doesn't have to be really state of the art and new. If it's working, don't fix it when it ain't broken, right? That's important. It's working perfectly.
It is working perfectly, and we have gotten some great features like this license plate reading opportunities, and it's been integrated like a couple of months ago. So it's a new feature to the old system. So it's really possible to.
So you're getting upgrades.
Yeah, it
yes,
does.
Of course.
It does.
Electro Arola. Probably color Arola. Yes, I color. Good to see you.
Well, we are offering all sorts of alerting and status and communication systems, mostly for blue light sector, PPDR market. Almost every fire truck, ambulance and police car in Finland has some of our applications.
Okay, so, and you're selling this all over the world, is it?
Mostly for Finland and Europe and Middle East. That's our key
that's
market.
almost.
Yeah. That's
So, and how is the uptake of your product? Because it's a relatively basic product, some people would say, but it's not. It's quite technical, is it?
Yeah, there are, for example, in the simple status panel like this, there are actually lots of intelligence inside, smart AVL features and navigator connection and everything. So you can say that we have also lots of more system-oriented products, but for the export Tetra and generally PPDR market, we are mostly targeting with these more simpler ones.
Exactly. Well, if it looks simple, it doesn't mean that it is simple. So this is the device. With this device, you can send the status messages. I haven't opened it, but I guess inside there's a lot of technology.
Yeah, there is embedded software that does lots of tricks.
That's one of the things actually, when you think something is very simple, it doesn't mean that the technology behind it is very simple. It can be very complicated. That's true, is it?
Absolutely.
Okay. Great to be here with Nokia. Welcome to the world of critical communications again, because it has been a long time ago. I haven't seen Nokia for many, many years. Since last year you're back. So what exactly are you then offering for the critical communications market?